This is one of our machine parts. The equipment we use is quite automated, so we will buy a 12-foot bar of aluminum. We'll cut it into slugs. We chuck it in our machine using CAD/CAM and simulation software. We machine it virtually, and then the engineers send that program to the machinist. They set it up, put the work holding in place, set all the tools that were determined by the programmer. And ideally, out comes a finished part.
And what does that go into?
Honestly, I don't know on this one. I think it's commercial aircraft. A lot of times we don't know. We're sent the solid model or drawing and the specifications.
How long does it take to make that part?
And this thing will run, I think, a couple hours probably.
Wow.
For this one. Yeah, so they come out pretty quick.